Hello and welcome everybody to my channel Kerala GSV Konkani Dishes, and today we will be seeing how to prepare Dudya Pulla Ukkari or pumpkin flower curry. Now pumpkin flower curry is a dish that is served as a side dish along with rice. This is also another example that we Konkanis do not waste anything. We eat all parts of the plant from its stem to the roots. So coming to the preparation of the dish. These are the ingredients that you require for preparing the dish. 1 bunch of pumpkin flowers. If mature buds are there, do not throw them away. You can use that also. 2 tablespoons rice flour, water as required, salt to taste. For seasoning, you require oil as required for seasoning, a small spoon mustard, half teaspoon red chilli powder. I have used coconut oil for seasoning. So this is the how you have to process the flour for preparing the dish. You have to discard the stalk of the flower. Then discard the outer small leaf-like structure, that is also called as sepal. Now cut open the flower. Sometimes you may find caterpillars, discard them. Now you will find a yellowish orange central stalk in the flower. Discard that also. Now you will be left with the yellow flower. Cut that into pieces. Similarly, do for the buds also. Heat oil in a kadai and add mustard seeds. When they splutter, switch off the flame and add red chilli powder. Then add the cut flowers and buds, water and salt. Switch on the flame. Cover and cook. Once done, you will see some water remaining in the kadai. To this add rice flour and mix well. Cook for 1 minute. Your pumpkin flower curry is ready to be served. Serve hot. It tastes good when hot. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.